Now, a 40-year-old mother of 6 from Likuyani, Kakamega County has defied all odds and returned to school in pursuit of education. Esther Khamala, now a Form 4 candidate at Matunda Secondary School, had her firstborn at the age of 13 years, prompting her to drop out of school. And 3 decades later, she's back in class together with her 2 sons. Her 5th-born son is also in the same school in Form 1. Now, a determined Esther says despite her advanced age, she hopes to become a human rights defender or an administrator, as Alan Ochanda reports.
For a stranger, this duo appears like classmates or just schoolmates here at Matunda Secondary School in Likuyani, Kakamega County. But no, this is a mother and her son. The mother, 40-year-old Esther Khamala, is in Form 4, while her 5th-born son, Job Baraka, is in Form 1. We accompany Esther straight to her class, and as she pensively sits in this agriculture class, it is evident she is thirsty for something that has slipped her for decades. Hers is a story full of hurdles and challenges. Her father died when she was only 3 years, and her mother was remarried. A good Samaritan came through when she was only 13 years old, but would later turn to be the father of her 5 sons and her greatest tormentor.
Kuna kijana alinipokea akaniambia, Esther, badala ya kulia, wacha tuende kwetu, kwetu tuko well off, ninaweza kukusaidia. Nikaandamana pamoja na yeye, si kuona shida kwa sababu sisi tulilelewa na watoto vijana ambao ni watoto wa mjomba yetu. Tungelala pamoja kwa wakati huo na si kuona kama kuenda na kijana ni shida kwangu. Lakini baadaye yeye alinibadilisha kunifanya mke wa ndoa. 3, hiyo ilikuwa ni 1994.
As time passed by, her mother-in-law died and she was ejected from her matrimonial home. Despite the ejection, she pushed for some portion of the land, given that she had 5 boys. This landed her on the wrong side of the law. All this, she says, almost broke her as she was homeless after securing freedom. It was her and her 5 boys against the world. All this, she felt, was happening because she had no education. It prompted her to go back to school. She sat for her KCPE in 2019 together with her son and scored 290 marks, while her son got 378 marks. This was enough motivation, but the journey was not easy.
Ilikuwa ni vigumu sana, maana wanafunzi wangenitoroka na wananistea. Ukiwaangalia hivi wananiona, yani ni kama jambo ambalo si la kawaida, ni jambo geni sana. Kwanza aswa sana nikienda kukaa kwa deski, mtu ana move aende kule kwingine, asikae karibu na mimi, ananitoroka. Hata kule primary walikuwa wananitoroka, hawawezi kaa na mimi, lakini baadaye nilifanya urafiki na wao.
Initially it was not easy because she's a mother to the other students in class, but with the time, with guidance and counseling, they accepted her. She's been doing well, and she has really assisted us as a school in guiding the other girls.
Tukiwa nyumbani ni mzazi mzuri, na shuleni pia hatukutani vile juu sijataka wenzangu wajue kwamba ni mamangu. Juu kuna wengine wanaanza kunichekelea ati kwamba unasoma aje na mzazi wako. Kwa hivyo sikutaka wenzangu wajue, lakini sasa wanajua tu kwa vile anakuja saa zingine kuniona kwa darasa.
During lunch hours, just like other students, she freely mingles with them, abiding by the school rules despite being older than some teachers. Despite literally starting life at 40, she is determined she will excel and one day fight for the downtrodden.
Aswa sana nitaka nisomee human rights ama hiyo administration, ni kwa sababu pia kuanzia chini nimeona ikifanyika. Administration hapa chini ni mbaya sana, inasumbua. Kwanza chini hapa, ofisi za chini hizi, corruption nyingi inafanyika kwa ofisi za chini, kwa sababu ni wale watu ambao wakiona kitu wanachukuliwa na hali haraka sana.
At the moment, she continues balancing the delicate role of a mother with no permanent residence, that of a student, as well as a parent for her 2 sons who are equally candidates in other schools. Alan Ochanda.
Well, that's a wrap for News Center. Thank you for watching. My name is Fatia Mohammed Noor. Yanayo Jiri is up next. But of course, we'll be going to KICC where the motor show is happening. But see you then.